on our way over to Gina's graduation. We've been driving for almost an hour. The kids have passed out. They finally got their nap in today. So we're almost there. We're just trying to find her apartments right now. And then we're going to go hang out with Sarah, Tim, Gina, and Haley and Paul, and whoever else is there.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Okay, we got the camera.
I do. We missed you. Sienna, pull your dress up. Here, let me help you. Hi, home. She's excited to see you. Gary. Scared to come in here. It says beware.
I have to duck. My decorations are for people 5 feet and under.
Good. I know, it looks good. How are you, Benny? How are you?
Good.
You met him? Oh yeah, you met him.
Nice to see you again.
Hey, April, this is Stephanie. Stephanie, this is April.
Hi.
And
Nice
this
to
is
meet
my
you.
husband, Mitch. Mitch, this is my
Oh.
friend Stephanie.
Hi, I'm April.
I'm Danica.
I met you a long time ago, haven't I? Maybe it's just, I just know the name Danica.
I'm Paul's stepdaughter. My brother. Her brother's
Yeah, then it's videos.
probably.
It's video.
It's videos.
Probably videos.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Here, let me see the decorations. Nice. Hi, Clara.
Put your head down here.
How are you? Look how big you are. Oh, you did? Come here. Give me hugs.
What is he doing?
You come give me my hugs. Mwah.
Looks like he's got 2 colors, different blacks on.
He's stuck.
Hi, Min. Are you having a good time?
I can't get over the kids.
What, Gina?
Is this Wreck-It Ralph? Yes.
On our way out, we had a great time with Gina and the family, so we're on our way home. My brother. Bye.
Wait. I'm talking.
They're so weird.
Yes, they're gonna funny.
Bye.
You leaving, Sarah?
Yeah.
Bye, Haley. You gotta get
Tag.
Okay, bye.